Hi, this is Jens from Canine Services. I'm going to do some examples of sending to different types of plays with different default behaviours when we get there. I start them on leash, so you can see how you initially want to guide the dog to the place. And remember, we break up the behaviours into small slices. So 2 paws on, reward, break, and then go to the next one, etc. Let's see how we go. So initially we won't even give the command place. We lead them to it. Yes. So I've got 2 paws on. The next one. Yes. I'm not asking for anything else. So once your dog has got that behaviour of actually placing all 4 paws on the placeboard or the mat, whatever you're using, then you can name it and you can start incorporating the default behaviour, which in this case is a down. Now you can also start to add duration. You can walk away a bit and you use your duration marker. Good. 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 Etc. And you try to walk around the placeboard or mat, whatever. Make sure that your leash is completely loose. Okay. So now we'll do it from a distance, off leash, and this is how it should look like. Good. Close. Yes. Simple as that, really. But it's consistency, 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 and repeat, 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 repeat. Okay. Good. Right. So we'll remove this one to prevent any confusion. So now we're going to send him to a box. This is basically PVC piping that I got from Bunnings. And the default behaviour that I want from that is for him to sit. And again, here I'm not actually using the word place, I'm actually using the word box because it's very specific. And again we start on leash. Yes. Mark the two paws in the box. After a bit more. Yes. Got the 4 in. Now we can ask for the default behaviour as well. Yes. And now you can start adding duration to this as well. So eventually, off leash, it should hopefully We haven't done this in quite some time. Looks something like this. What? Yes! Quick! Come! What? Quick! Quick! Finally! We have this again from Bunnings. And this is what I'm using to teach the dog rear end awareness. Interesting thing with dogs is that they don't really know that they can move their rear end and their front end independently of each other, so we actually have to teach that. So the default behavior for this is to go there and stand with two paws on the plate. And again, we start on leash. So, yes. Yes. Good boy. So once you practice that enough times, you should be able to send them to that place, and you should hopefully go into a stand. Something plus. Yes. Do it once more. Come. Please. Yes. So just to give you a demonstration what happens if you can control the dog's head, you basically control the dog's body. Yes. This plate is a little bit too small for him now because he's a pretty big boy. It was fine when probably a couple of years ago, but now I basically need a bigger one. To get the dog to come up close to you, use your body language as well. One good way of doing that, again, food in both hands. Come up there and let him push and push and push in, push in. Yes, plus. Good. Mitten. Yes. Good boy. That was a good boy. Free. And finish with a bit of a play, if you can. He's now looking for the food anyway, he's hunting. Yay! Good boy. Good boy. All right. Happy training.